heck am I doing? Oh, yo, so obviously, well, welcome to the channel, Johnny Turbo, but we're painting this car. So I was debating on whether pulling the handles out or just leaving and tape them up, or just painting them and not taping them all. So I already did one. You can kind of see, obviously tape that one up. This one, this is what they look like untaped. It's got like a little rubber gasket right here that runs around. You know, honestly, I wouldn't mind I don't see what's wrong with just painting them in place. Now I might not get paint in and behind here all that as I'm coming by here, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so what? The paint doesn't really get behind there. It's gonna be all over the front, but you will paint over this gasket unless I tape that gasket up right there. I'm not really sure I want to paint over that thing. I could, now I think about it, I could just paint it and possibly use acetone after and come back and probably try and clean that, or just leave it painted. I think right now I'm just gonna do this. If we want later on, I could mask up the door. After it's painted, we can mask up the door, and I could either pull the handles out or just paint them here, or who knows what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know, I might even vinyl wrap them and maybe do them black or something. I don't know. So let's get to masking this. Maybe I should have taken them out, I don't know, but we'll see. But listen, this is what it's like when you're masking. I've definitely found that you don't want to pull tape real tight and stretch it. You want it to kind of lay it in where it needs to go and then stick it, because if you don't, it's gonna shrink and start to pull off. So ask me how I know that. I did a whole window twice. That's like, I don't know, when you do this stuff, how far do you go really at some point? Like, I start to get depressed when I can't drive. And then I get more depressed sometimes when I'm like, oh, I'm the one that's holding this up. Because I can't fucking mask a car. Or I can't sand this stupid thing. Alright, I've already started sanding, so I have to start. I've already started the process. I can't go back now. So I just blame myself for being stupid. I blame myself for putting myself in this predicament. But, I mean, it's not like I didn't want to do it, so I can't. You know, I can't completely be upset with myself. I guess I can blame myself for that too. You wanted this, and you got it. You definitely got it. Taping a door handle. That's what I find fun, I guess. All right, you know what? This actually didn't go on so bad. That's pretty good. Almost forgot. One last thing. Yeah, and I didn't take these out, I know, but you know, I didn't take them out. What are you gonna do? I think we're done. I think we're good. Oh, no, actually, you know what? Not for now. For the rest of this project, I'm done with fucking masking. I mean, you gotta love it if you're gonna put yourself through this kind of deal. But if this is just your own deal in the backyard, kind of like myself, Johnny No Bucks, doing it Johnny No Buck style. I mean, it is a decent amount of work, but it's gonna be a big payoff, and you gotta keep on telling yourself that. I mean, it is pretty sick. Look at this thing, dudes. All right, well, you heard me talk, you saw me mask them. I mean, all I did was mask the door handles, but that was I mean, that's just a deal on its own. That took a little time. You know, I ain't never done it before, so that took time. You don't think about these things. I didn't think about these things. I was just like, I'm just gonna let it all fly. Just start sanding and hope for the best. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. We're pushing on. Primer is next. Now they're gonna be separate videos. I'll probably do the primer. That's gonna be a deal in its own because it's just all the way through. You're trying to do this, you're trying that, problem solving. So thanks again, guys. Johnny Turbo. Like, subscribe if you want. I don't know. I'm still gonna be here putting out videos, you know, getting this thing painted, and then I got a bunch of other stuff. I got some driving coming up. That's why I'm trying to get this thing done, because there's a couple of driving events that I want to go to, that I'm gonna go to, that I gotta get this thing done for, and then I've got a bunch of other stuff coming up on the channel. I mean, let's go. I appreciate you guys, right? All right, till the next one. Peace, guys.
Trying to find my way back home. Who that soldier in the mirror? Gonna turn all of my stones.
Impeccably I flow, hardest raps you know, breaking status quo, reaping what I sow, artistry like Van Gogh, get it from my mama.